Back with another video. So today I'm about to do these mount locks. You see how they yellow? You feel me? I got red for one now. It's already dark outside, so I had just got in the mail. They had gave me the wrong thing. They had gave me hold on. This is what they gave me at first. I had took it out. I was like, what it is? You feel me? These right here. This is what they called. This is what they sent me first. But I guess they let me keep it. But yeah. Matter of fact, if somebody need this, just hit me up in the comments. You feel me? Let me know. I'll probably ship it, send it out. I don't need it. These that they send, these red. See? For the Challenger, these red. They come in this little, you know. And they also ship this. You feel me? Y'all like these decals, you feel me? I don't really rock with it, so. Yeah. Alright, so putting these up here. The only thing you need, flathead. Right here. Hold on, right there. Hold on. Yeah, turn it off first. Hold on. Alright. Just like that. Alright, it's like that there. Hold on now. This my second time doing it, so. Alright, wait. That's all you gotta do. Just get this to come off. And then it's just two clips in the back. They wiggle right out. You see these two clips? They wiggle right out. Wiggle in, wiggle out. Alright, now. This heat shield right here. Hold on, is it hot? You ain't gonna. While I'm giving this a chance to cool, I'm gonna start working on this one. So, same spot, I think. Or is it over? Alright, it's gonna be far right. I mean, far left. Right here. Just like that. Just keep on putting your flathead against it. Pop it out. Right there. Pop. It's off. That's simple. Then wiggle. To the clips. You see the clips gonna come off. Alright, so just keep bend it all the way like this until it pops out. So that means when you put it back, you gotta bend it this way. Because you bend that way. Alright, see this one hot. Yeah, this one hot too. Like, it's good now. So just take these out. You know, just pull these out. And the light bulb. Now all you gotta do is take this out right here. They wanna come out. Alright. Y'all seen what I just did, so just come right out. Now put the new one in. Alright, see all I do when I put it in, right there. Just push it. Same thing for over here. Just like that. And grab the other LED. Hold on. And put it in. Same way. Alright. I don't know how to check them. Hold on. Start the car, see if it. There's something. Alright, so I put them in. Let me see if they working. I think it's this, right? Oh, yeah. Alright, so yeah. They're right here. Focus. They're right here, move it around. But yeah. See, it working now. Look at the, you feel me? Look at the scat. Look at the scat. But yeah, so just pop those back on. Oh, where is it? Feel me? Find the little two things. There go one, there go the other. Actually, I don't know how to put this back in. Alright, I got it. Now just push it till it go in. So look for the clips, the two clips right here. One right there, one on the other side. Go ahead, pop it on. Then what you want to do is get your flathead pumping it into this until it goes in, and then that's it. Then they pop right in, you feel me? So you just start at the wood, you feel me? So that's how it look when you're done, you feel me? Y'all like up and sub.